What's up, everybody? I'm making this video because I had the hardest time trying to figure out how to create a sales funnel, and there was no way I could afford ClickFunnels. I mean, actually, I take that back. I actually did pay for ClickFunnels the first month, and that's on top of the free trial. And it reminds me of WordPress, as long as it took me to get good at WordPress. I mean, it takes a while to get good at it, so I figure it would have cost me 2 or 3 months just to even be able to get close to being good at it. Anyway, long story short, let me show you a quick way that you can make your own funnel. Now, granted, this is not going to be as clean cut and as pretty as ClickFunnels, but it's also free. Well, the payment gateway I use is eJunkie, and it's $5 a month. So, I mean, $5 a month is pretty close to being free. Okay, so we're going to do this backwards. What we're going to do is start with eJunkie. Now, this is where your main product is going to be. So you should have a main product, and you should have a free product, a freebie to give away to collect the emails, right? So, my product is how to get a title with just a bill of sale. And so if we go look at my shop right here real quick, this is my product right here. Okay. But there's plenty of tutorials teaching you how to upload your product to eJunkies and how to do everything. So that's not that hard. That's pretty easy to figure out. Once you get your product uploaded and on here and everything, you're going to want to get your codes. You're going to want to select your product, and you can do physical products, digital products, anything on here. And I always do the the cart, because you don't have to choose between PayPal or credit card. This will do both. Okay, you got your HTML codes here, if you got a website, but what we're doing here, you don't even have to have a website. So you just copy this one. Now, once you get this link, this is to your main product. Now you're going to go to Google Docs. Now, as you see here, I've created a free product, just a free report. That's all it is. It's basically the same thing as my main product is, except my main product does all the work for them. This basically just tells them how they can do it. They still got to go look up, a lot of stuff. They've got to learn a lot of stuff themselves to be able to do it. But this, for the main part, teaches them how to do it. The main product, my upsell, is basically does it for them. Put it like that. So anyway, once you create your free product here, this thing's being slow today. Okay, right here, as you can see, all this is where I took my link that we just copied from eJunkie from my main from my main product. I took it and I pasted it in here. Now, if this wasn't here, the way you would do it is you would just type click now or whatever you would want to put here. Click here, and then all you're going to do is highlight this, go up to insert link, and then you're just going to paste your link and apply it. So now if they click this link, if they decide they want your main product, your upsell, this link is going to take them here to where they can purchase it. Just that simple. Okay, so that's how we connect that. Now we're going to need our link to this right here, to our Google Doc, to our free product. So you're going to click share. You want to make sure it's just view. You don't want them to be able to edit it. Get shareable link. Okay, we've copied our link now. Now we're going to go to MailChimp. You just create you an account here. It's free. And you just go to create. And you go to landing page. Now, this is the way I do it. There's more ways to do it, and you just name it if you want to name it. You'd pick the list. You get to create a list, multiple lists, whatever. I think you can get something like 2,000 emails. I think is what you can collect for free, and then just make a different account and a different list. But anyway, you begin. Let me close some of this out. This computer's been running slow for some reason. I don't know why. I always pick something easy like this one here. And then to do this, it's just drag and drop. I usually pick this one here. At first, I clean all this off. Then you just add your picture. And then you just, let's see, you just type whatever you want. I'll just do it like that. Just make it quick. Okay, now after you get whatever you want typed here, your sales pitch or whatever, you just click right here where the email part is. And you can make them put their first name or whatever. I usually don't. Scroll down. Now you get to choose here. You can either do a confirmation message. Now if you've done that, then all you'd want to do is at the end of your confirmation message, you would just type, click here or whatever you want. Same thing. You just highlight it. You would insert link. And then you're going to paste the link from your Google Docs into this. Insert. Now that's if you chose to have a confirmation message. So once they put their email in and hit enter, it's going to give them that confirmation message with the link to click. Now me, I just go to web address instead. So you would just paste the same link in here. Save and continue. Save and continue. And that's it. Oh, I bet I have to name it, don't I? If you use a custom one, it costs. But you can use a free one and you can put whatever you want here. And then just save that. Now it should let me publish it. We'll just leave it blank. There we go. Okay, now we publish. So now all we're going to do is take this link right here. Now this is the link that you're going to want to save. This is the one you're going to post on Facebook or wherever you're doing your advertisements. Because when they click it, it's going to take them to our landing page. Just like we just made. When they put in their email, it's going to redirect them to our free report. They read your free report. If they want to upsell, if they want the upsell to get the main product, then all they'll have to do is click your link. There's a link to my website. God, this thing is so slow. I'm sorry, y'all. It's never been this slow. So here's where we made our link. They click that. It takes them to our main product. And that is how you create a free sales funnel. Or that's my version anyway.